Hi guys, sitting in the car, just been to the charity shops in Kingswood, got some junk. Well, first of all, I got a kite here, but that wasn't in the charity shop, that was in the biology shop. Biology, 99 pence for a kite. It's got bamboo canes. But it's a windy day today, so I thought, yeah, we might be able to go and fly that a bit later. So it's a, what do you call it, a delta kite, I think, that shape. 61 centimetres by 120 centimetres. There was a set of 6 of them, but I didn't buy all 6. I just bought the one that looked like an owl, I think that's what I've got. Right, next, I always like to pick these up if they're the right sort of price. Woodcraft construction kit, serial number P104. I know I've done one of these before, but I'm not sure if it was the same size. This one looks bigger than the one that I did. F18 Hornet cost me £1.49. That must be Children's Hospice, that price label on it. Another random jigsaw. You can probably guess what caught my eye there. Reduced all the way down to 49 pence. There's usually pieces missing, but that should keep me occupied for a few nights. Well, quite a few nights. 1,000 pieces. That's at least 10 hours to do that for me. Probably longer. Yeah, I couldn't resist that. Basically, it's one of those wooden clip-together kits made out of foam instead. Triceratops, I should think, that one. 99 pence. This one, saltwater power kit, but I can see that it's already been made, so I would think there's a good chance that it hasn't got the saltwater parts with it, because they corrode and they're only good for 1 or 2 runs. There's usually a spare one in there, but that's still only 3 or 4 runs, so there's a good chance that it won't work off the saltwater battery. But we can always put a solar panel on it, or a little lithium ion battery or something, just to make it run for the fun of it. I've done quite a few of these kits, but I haven't actually done this particular one. It's got an interesting feature where the electric motor drives the back axle, and then the back axle drives this fan thing. I don't think the fan does anything other than looks. That's just interesting. Oh yeah, and then of course I picked up a vape while we were out and about. Picked them up in a plastic bag like dog poo, so I don't have to handle them until we get home and we can wash our hands. And that's it. That's today. Charity shop, Gold or Garbage, Kingswood. And I think I've said there's about 7 charity shops here. One of them was shut. I went to the other ones and went back and it was still shut. So that was annoying. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.